Why you should drink lemon water. Have a fresh start with lemon water. It isn't just tasty, it's a health powerhouse. First off, it's packed with vitamin C. That means a stronger immune system. But that's not all. Lemon water helps digestion. It keeps things moving smoothly. No more bloating, bowel issues? Cut one lemon in pieces unpeeled, with ginger and water blend together. And drink. You may not like the bitter taste, but hey, it cleans you out. And guess what? It's great for your skin too. Clearer, brighter, and more radiant. Feeling sluggish? Lemon water boosts your energy naturally. No caffeine needed. Plus, it helps with weight loss. It boosts your metabolism. So, grab a lemon, squeeze it into some water, and drink up. Lemon water benefits. Drinking lemon water first thing in the morning can help kickstart your metabolism, aid digestion, and provide a good dose of vitamin C. It can also help with hydration and may assist in balancing blood sugar levels. Imagine starting your day with a refreshing sip that not only wakes you up, but also sets you on the right path for the rest of the day. It's a simple ritual that can make a big difference. So why not give it a try? Make lemon water your new morning habit and feel the positive changes unfold. Now that you know the incredible benefits of lemon water, let's talk about how to make the perfect glass. It's simple and quick, but a few tips can ensure you get the most out of this healthy drink. First, always use fresh lemons. Squeeze half a lemon into a glass of warm water. Warm water is easier for your body to absorb first thing in the morning and enhances the digestive benefits. If you prefer, you can add a teaspoon of raw honey or a pinch of turmeric for an extra health boost. For those who like to prepare in advance, you can slice lemons and store them in the fridge, ready to use each morning, or you can freeze lemon water or lemon juice in ice trays for easy use. Simply pour the lemon water or juice into the ice tray compartments and place in freezer. Once frozen, you can easily pop out the lemon ice cubes and use them as needed. This is a convenient way to have lemon water or juice ready to go without the hassle of squeezing fresh lemons each time. These lemon ice cubes also come in handy for adding a zesty kick to your other drinks or recipes. So, take a few minutes to prepare these lemon ice cubes, and you'll always have the perfect addition to your healthy routine at your fingertips. Just remember, the fresher the lemon, the more nutrients you'll get. And always remember to use a straw. Join us again for more health tips.